Breathtaking views to scenic green mountains and amazing sunsets to be enjoyed in this spectacular custom home. Sprawling open floor plan over hardwood flooring encompasses this great room from living to dining to gourmet kitchen, all with a spectacular view overlooking the lake. Hardwood flooring, craftsman trim, 3-zone Sonos West/iPad, shiplap detail on vaulted ceiling in dining room and foyer. Glass doors lead to the upper fiberglass deck. Bonus first floor bedroom and a full bath. Second floor offers all hardwood flooring. Incredible details in the master bedroom with vaulted ceiling and exposed wood beams. Custom trim work, walk-in closet with built-in wardrobe. Barn door slider leads into the luxury full bath boasting freestanding soaking tub, oversized multi-spa glass enclosed shower, dual vanity sinks over tiled flooring. 2 additional bedrooms, a full guest bath and second floor laundry room. Additional living space found in the finished walkout basement that offers a complete separate living area that includes bedroom with lake views, full bath, office/6th bedroom. Family room and game room with custom craftsman trim. Summer kitchen west/built-in bar with refrigerator, mini fridge. Convenient additional washer/dryer. Glass sliding doors lead out onto the covered dry space patio. New heated in-ground pool O/sized heater, LED multi-lights, surround fiberglass deck. New 40 by 20 composite dock with covered seating area. Cozy wood burning fire pit lakeside. Option to join beach club. 1 hour to NYC.